One of the big side effects of cancer treatment is that it can weaken your immune system, and it is very important that if you were to get an infection that normally your immune system would be able to fight quite easily, if you get that infection while you're undergoing cancer therapy, it could make you quite sick. So if you ever have a symptom that feels unusual to you, you really need to tell someone, and tell someone soon, so that your medical team can be made aware.
I come back to the hospital every 6 months for x-rays to check my lungs for relapse of the cancer, as well as every year to get an echocardiogram on my heart to make sure that's still functioning properly.
You never really know if it could come back, or if it could lead to other complications later down in your life.
And it's also keeping you in contact with the doctors, just saying, how do you feel today? And if you have any, maybe if it's a weird something, maybe you felt something weird in your stomach, or you're not sure, you can ask them.
It's just for your own benefit to make sure that nothing pops up later that you don't know about.
We want to make sure that this is a journey where you know every step of the way what you're facing. And so if you tell us how you're feeling, what your emotions are, what your experiences are, we can help you navigate your way through that. Sometimes we can even introduce you to other teens who are going through or have gone through exactly the same thing as you, so you can realize how normal so much of what you're feeling is.
My doctor gave me a summary to make it shorter for when I go to say university and I get a cold or something, so I have the letter on hand. Yeah.
The main thing I'm looking forward to that's going to happen after the transition is the 5-year mark of being cancer-free.
Now that my life is back to normal, I go out with my friends, we go to the mall, we hang out, we just do normal stuff.
Well, being a teenager, I know I missed a lot of high school. And looking back on it now, since we're graduating, it's kind of hard because everyone's talking about, remembering grade 9 when we did this, and you were not there for it. So it is kind of hard because you miss those years of your life. But you just got to get back and make the best of it.
Frequently, if you chat with your oncologist or your oncology clinic nurse, they can put you in touch with other teens who have been going through exactly the same experience. If you don't tell people how you're feeling, they won't be able to find the right resources to help make this journey easier.